Good morning, lovelies, and welcome back. Welcome to my original chalky crackles. Okay, so this recipe is the original Kellogg's recipe. So the first thing we need is a small saucepan, and we need 250 grams of copha. Now copha you will find where your butter and margarines are. Apparently it's made with coconut oil. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is chop that up in our saucepan. Alrighty, now we just sit that on the stove top till we need it. Alright, so normally I'd use the thin paper patty pans, and I would put them in the patty pan tin. Now in a large bowl we want to put 4 cups of rice bubbles. Now if you've only got Cocoa Pops, you can put 4 cups of Cocoa Pops and call them double chocolate crackles. 1 cup of icing sugar, 1 cup of designated coconut, or some people call it desiccated coconut. Now we need 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I just love using the black and gold one that you can get from IGA or Foodland. Alrighty, now with a spoon we just want to mix it all in really well together. Once we've mixed that in well together, we now want to put our copha on the lowest possible heat and melt it down just like we would butter. Once we've melted it all down, it looks like this. It's just like a clear liquid and it's extremely hot. So if you're doing this with the kids, make sure they know it's really hot. Okay, now we just want to leave it sit there just for a couple of minutes to cool down just a little bit. A couple of minutes later, now we want to work quick now. We want to pour it all in there. Make sure you take the time to mix it in really well. Alright, once we've done that, with a couple of spoons, we start spooning it into our patty pans, like so. Alrighty, well these ones are definitely deceiving. They hold twice as much as they look like they would. So if you were using the normal thin patty pans, it would make 24. And these ones, it's made 12 or 11. So I made them in a tray because it's a lot easier, because they really are messy when you put them all together. And now what we do is we bang them in the fridge till they're set. Well, there you have it, lovelies, just like that. Chalky crackles. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.